In this lesson, we'll talk about parameters, so you can understand how many parameters your grandMA3 can output. With the grandMA, we care more about parameters used than DMX channels. Here's the trusted LED par example. There's an 8-bit mode and a 16-bit mode on this fixture. Every attribute, dimmer, red, green, and blue, has a DMX value with a 256-step range. In 16-bit mode, each of these attributes has that big range of 65,000 steps. In 8-bit mode, we need a DMX channel for each attribute, giving us 4 DMX channels in total. Adding an additional DMX channel to each attribute means we can control each color finer, but now we have a total of 7 DMX channels. In both cases though, the parameters are the same. Let's figure out how many parameters we have access to, how we can use them, and what happens if you run out. Since the grandMA3 can address up to 1024 universes, or a kiloverse, you can spread your available parameters across as many universes as you want. This is as long as you don't exceed the maximum parameters of your hardware. If we want to see how many parameters we have available to us, we can look at the System Info view by pressing on an empty area on the screen. Under the More tab, I can find the System Info view. There's a section called Parameter Count, showing me that I've got 0 used parameters and 4,096 still available. It's because my command wing has 4,096 parameters. But if you don't add genuine hardware first, you can't output real DMX. If you're using genuine hardware, you can patch fixtures across Universe 1, Universe 11, or Universe 111. Once the program runs out of parameters, it'll stop sending DMX to the highest universe. We're just about done with this lesson, but I want to share how I roughly estimate how many lights I could use with the number of parameters I have. Take the number of thousands in your parameter license and double it, to estimate the number of universes you can use. The grandMA3 light behind me has 16,384 parameters by itself. 16,000 times 2 is 32, so this grandMA3 light can roughly run 32 universes before we would need expansion hardware. That wraps up our crash course on parameters. If you want to know more about parameter expansion and its limitations, check out the episode about adding parameters.